I'm Stacy Gordon. Welcome to That's My Jam. You ever go out to a restaurant and order something that's so good that you just wish you could fix it at home? That happened to me when I started going to a restaurant here by my house. I ordered the dish a couple times, fell in love with it, and I decided there has to be a way to make a copycat recipe from it. Spoiler alert, success. On the menu, it's called Spinach Chicken, and it looks like this. It's cheesy, it's hearty, and it is delicious. I'm going to teach you how to make it. Let's get started. I'm going to make this dish today in a medium-sized cast iron skillet. I'm going to butterfly 2 chicken breasts to get them nice and thin. Next, I'm going to slice them into some thin strips. I want those strips to look about like that. I've washed my hands, got a fresh cutting board, a clean knife, and now I'm going to slice up a medium-sized onion. I sliced my onion into strips. We'll put a couple tablespoons of olive oil into our skillet and get this on some medium-high heat. While the oil is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add my chicken strips. A little salt. A little bit of chili powder, and my sliced onions. We're just going to keep working this until our chicken is cooked and our onions become tender. Our chicken and onions are just about done, so I'm going to add some spinach. This is frozen spinach, and I've made sure to drain all the moisture out of it. Depending on how much you like spinach, you can use somewhere between 6 and 10 ounces. Once that's in the skillet, we'll start working it in with our chicken and onions. All the chicken looks thoroughly cooked. I'm going to turn off the heat. Now, here comes the magic ingredient. I've got a carton of Gordo's cheese dip. This is the original flavor. They also make a hot. If you're not familiar with Gordo's, it's just like that incredible queso dip you get at the Mexican restaurant. I'm going to add this entire container to our skillet. We're going to move this around until everything in this skillet is well blended. Our oven is preheated. This is ready to go in. Now's the perfect time to go tap that like button, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. We'd love to have you as part of our TMJ family. About 20 minutes later, we pull it out of the oven and it looks like this. Hot, bubbly, and golden brown. You want to let this sit just for a few minutes to let that cheese congeal just a bit. After that, you can either eat it with a fork or have it my favorite way, with some tortilla chips. That's it right there. Holy cow, y'all. I ain't playing. That is delicious. What can I tell you about this dish? It's quick and easy, it's delicious, and oh, so satisfying. I put up new videos every Monday and Thursday, so I'll see you soon. In the meantime, turn off the TV, turn on some music, and just keep jamming.